So guys, this particular YouTube channel was started around 7 months ago, and you can see the result right here, very massive. The estimated earnings around over $50,000, and this was all generated from these simple YouTube ideas I'm going to be sharing in this video. If you're planning on starting up a YouTube channel for the first time, these YouTube channel ideas that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video will make you a lot of money. In fact, I've tried one of these ideas and it worked 100%. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything you need to know about these YouTube channel ideas and how to go about it. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome to my channel once again. It's me, Kings, and please don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful at the end, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you have not done that yet. So let's get right to the video. So before I proceed, I would like to let you guys know that these YouTube channel ideas I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video are all faceless YouTube channel ideas, which means you don't even need to stress yourself to show your face on the screen before you can start this YouTube channel I'm talking about. All you need is just free stock images and videos like this one here right now, and then video AI generated too, depending on the kind of video you want to create. And then last but not the least is ChatGPT, in case you don't know how to write a script by yourself. So these three things will help you create all of these video ideas I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video. Now let's proceed. So the first YouTube channel idea on my list is the true crime scene channel idea.
No perverse desires. Every day, they were forced to entertain dozens of visitors.
This particular channel idea is one of the best and one of the most lucrative faceless YouTube channel idea that you can think of. Now, in case you don't know what the true crime stories is all about, the true crime stories is all about you telling stories of major crimes that happened all around the world. You bringing it to life for people to see these kind of things that it's actually happening. So one of the major channels, whenever I talk about this niche that has practically succeeded on this niche, is the True Investigator, and that's the channel right here. So this channel, according to Social Blade, is earning over $4,000 every week, which shows how lucrative this channel idea can be. And then when it comes to views, this particular YouTube channel idea can give you a lot of views for you to make money in return once you post a good content on it. So as you can see this channel, you can see in the last 14 days they've gathered over 900,000 views and over 5,000 subscribers. And if you look at the daily metrics of this channel closely, you will realize that this particular channel also earned over $200 in a day, making it unarguably one of the best lucrative faceless YouTube channel you can engage in. Creating a video around this channel idea is very simple. In fact, in the scale of 1 to 10, I would say 8/10 when creating a video around this channel idea. So all you need for you to create a video around this channel idea is just your video editor, either CapCut, InShot, or any video editor, free stock images, and then a written script. These are the three things you need for you to actually create a very perfect video on this particular faceless niche. Now, I would have loved to create one for you guys to see how to create it, but due to time, I'm going to be doing that in my next video. In fact, leave in the comment section, tell me if you actually want me to do a video on how to create video on this particular niche. So if you want to, just leave it in the comment section. In my next video, I'm going to be doing it. So the next on our list is African Folktale. African Folktale is another great YouTube idea which you can try out.
As Mama see it all. Some said she could peer straight into a person's soul, revealing secrets no one could ever know.
This YouTube idea has been in existence about 3 years now and still going. Although so many people keep talking about how it's dead, but trust me, African Folktale is not dead. It's a niche you can try out. So one of the YouTube channel you should be looking out for is the Millionaire Folktale. Millionaire Folktale is one of the best YouTube channel in this niche. And according to Social Blade, Millionaire Folktale makes nothing less than $500 every 14 days of the week. And with less than 350 videos, this channel has an overall views of 14 million views, making it one of the best channel to watch any story that relates to Africa. When it comes to creating stories that relate to this particular YouTube channel idea, I must tell you for free that African Folktale is one of the easiest audiovisual stories you can create online. In fact, in a few clicks you can create an African folktale without any stress. And I will rate it in the ratio of 1 to 10, 10/10, because it's one of the easiest you can create. With just few clicks from tools like InVideo AI or Vid AI, you can be able to create a bunch of African folktale without stress. and that's it. And you can equally use ChatGPT to generate your script. If you don't have any storyline, you can tell offhand. And in this kind of YouTube channel, you don't even need to be uploading every day. Once a week or once in 3 days or once in 4 days will do. So that's it for this particular niche. So the next on the list is stoicism. Stoicism is another great niche that has been in existence for the longest of time. I mean, I can't even remember the first and the last time I've seen this niche. This particular niche is all about personal development and personal goal. For this particular niche, the channel I love so much on this particular niche is Stoic Journal. Stoic Journal is one of the biggest and one of the best stoic channel you can see around. According to Social Blade, Stoic Journal makes around 67 to 1.1k dollars in just 14 days on their channel. Now you can see the views and then the subscribers. In the last 14 days, the views is around 283,000 views, and then the subscribers is around 5,000 subscribers. And also looking at the daily metrics of this channel, you can see that this channel earns around 8 to $218 every day from their videos. When it comes to making the kind of videos on this channel, I will rate it in a scale of 1 to 10, 7 over 10, because sometimes these videos can be a little bit complex in creating, but still easy if you know what you're doing. So just like the other videos, you can use ChatGPT and some of these AI generating video to create this kind of videos. You can also use free stock images and then video editing tool to make a good edit of your videos. So that's it for this particular YouTube channel idea. So the next idea on our list is controversy, which has to be the last but not the least YouTube channel idea that I'm going to be sharing in this video.
An app called TikTok came from nowhere. Back then, TikTok seemed like just another mindless app for teens, where teens and creeps would lip sync to insipid, droog-like songs.
And one of the channels which better explains this particular YouTube channel idea is the channel called The Moon. So The Moon is one of the biggest channel on controversy. Everything about this particular YouTube channel is centered on controversy. And according to Social Blade, this channel earns around $300 to $5,000 in the past 14 days from their channel. And also you can see the views there. The views in the past 14 days is almost over 1 million views. And then in the last 30 days, which is the last 1 month, this channel has earned $14,000 from their videos in total. So this is how lucrative this YouTube channel idea can be for you to venture. Coming to the aspect of creating videos for this kind of channel. Creating videos for this kind of channels is a little bit complex, as it is not like the other ones. Now, one of the reasons why it is complex is that you need to master the art of going viral with controversial topics. And if you can't master this art of going viral with controversial topics, there is possibility that you will fail in this particular YouTube channel idea. So for you to even start creating videos on this kind of channel, you need to do a little bit research using this particular channel and other channel alike. So once you are done with your research, you know what people needs and what they don't need, then before you start creating videos on this channel, on this kind of channel. And that's all for today's video. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you learned a lot from this video. So if you need any question that you want to ask me, you can leave it in the comment section, or you can chat me up on my various social media handle and I will reply you. So thanks for watching once again, guys, and bye for now.